Endocrine versus exocrine glands. Endocrine glands are the glands which pour their secretion directly into blood, and exocrine glands are those glands which need a duct system to drain their secretion, to drain their chemicals, and via this duct system these chemicals, these hormones reach to their target organs. And endocrine glands need no such specialized duct system because they are going to drain their chemical directly into the blood. So from this point you can very easily understand that endocrine glands, they can be present as separate entity, but they can also be present as cluster of cells embedded within any organ. For example, let's talk of pancreas, which is a mixed type of gland. Major portion of that gland or pancreas is exocrine, no doubt, but certain clusters of cells are also present in that, and they function as endocrine part of that gland. And why endocrine? Because these cluster of cells, they are directly pouring their secretion into the blood. They are not pouring their secretion into the duct of pancreas. Okay, so and these cluster of cells are known as islets, pancreatic islets. Okay, these cluster of cells are differentiated on the basis of their shape. Okay, they are tinctorially different. Okay, they can be alpha cells or A cells. These alpha cells or A cells have round nucleus and they have distinctly outlined cytoplasmic mass, which is oval in shape. They secrete hyperglycemic glycogenolytic hormone or HGH. Similarly, pancreas has cluster of cells which are known as beta cells or B cells. They are polyangular outline cells with a round nucleus and indistinct cytoplasmic boundaries. 75% of the total islets comprise of beta cells, and the secretory granules of this type of cell are strongly basophilic. They secrete hormone insulin. The other type is D cell or delta cell. They are nothing but they are considered as aged alpha cells. And the fourth type cells which are found in pancreas or pancreatic endocrine islets, they are F cells, and they the F cells, they contain lobulated nuclei and angular secretory granules. So these cells, alpha, beta, delta and F cells, they do not need a specialized system of duct. They just pour their secretion directly into the pancreatic blood, and from this blood the chemical reaches to its site of action, okay, or to its receptor, which are present in wide spread over the body. Because of the nature because of the structure, difference in structure and difference in physiology of endocrine and exocrine, you can also very well realize and appreciate that endocrine, the secretory product of endocrine glands have a wide spread effect because they are moving, they are traveling through blood, and they do not have a specific duct system. They via blood they reach or they cover almost whole of body. So the receptor may be present anywhere in the body. The hormone will reach there and affect it. Whereas in exocrine system, in exocrine glandular system, there is a duct system, and via this duct system the secretory product of these exocrine cells reach to a particular specific part of the body. For example, exocrine part of pancreas, it secretes pancreozymin and such chemicals which reach intestine. So the receptors for pancreozymin are specifically present in small intestine, whereas receptors for insulin are present all over the body. Receptors for glucagon are present, for HGH are present in almost all cells of the body. Okay, so this was the basic difference and between exocrine glands and endocrine glands. Anatomy relating physiology. Okay, and now you can appreciate the functioning of both these systems, and thus I gave you with an example of pancreas. Okay, stay blessed, stay safe.